As the year comes to a close, all eyes are set on what the world's top central banks will do next. Here are the business and finance stories to watch out for in the coming days. November's consumer inflation data will be released Tuesday, followed by the Federal Reserve's last rate decision of 2022 on Wednesday. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has hinted that it's time to slow the pace of rate hikes. October's Consumer Price Index report showed prices rose less than expected, with signs of slowing inflation boosting equities and knocking down the dollar. Recent strong U.S. jobs data has rekindled inflation fears. It's Super Thursday in Europe, where central banks in the Eurozone, Britain, Switzerland, and Norway all meet. The latest inflation numbers have raised hopes that Eurozone pressures are finally abating, and markets feel confident that the European Central Bank will deliver a 50 basis point rate move on December 15th. But pipeline price pressures remain strong, and Europe, Switzerland, and Norway are expected to jack up borrowing costs again. Britain's grim economic situation is unlikely to stop the Bank of England from raising borrowing costs again on Thursday. Economists polled by Reuters expect the central bank to raise its key rate to 3.5%, despite a looming recession. Surging energy and food costs propelled consumer price inflation to a 41-year high in October. Wednesday's UK inflation data may hint at price rises having peaked, following trends in Europe and the US.